One of the things that I did along the way is frequency. So I just shared with you previously that I had 2 days, excuse me, every Tuesday, I said 2 days, every Tuesday, I give an update to my accountability partners of where I'm at. And these are people that I selected that because we're always holding each other accountable. I said I wanted to put a paper trail as we talk about here, documentation beats conversation. So I want to see, am I really showing up to the commitment that I made, or am I just sounding interested? And I can take us down a whole rabbit hole when it comes to the commitment versus interest. But listen, family, you want to ensure that you are using the proper communication channels. I always recommend every project coordinator, project manager, project program, anybody in this thing that I love that you love called project management should be wanting to do content, whether it's writing or whether it's being in front of a camera, because it's going to help you as you continue to grow in your profession in project management.